Hi, in the previous section we have seen how to create web app service. In this section we will see how to configure this and what are the different options inside it. Let me click on go to resource. On the overview page I can check the name of the app service, the URL of it. We can browse it, we can check what is the app service plan, what is the operating system, etc. If I click on this URL, it will open the app service web page in a new tab. Let me click on that. Over here, it has opened the web page. Let me close it. We can also stop, restart and start the app service from here. In the left side, there are certain other options to configure this app service. Let me check a few important options. First of all, there is a configuration settings. Let me click on that. Over here, we can do the configuration of application settings, general settings, default documents, path mapping, etc. If I click on general settings, you see what is my runtime stack, the version and other platform related information. We can do the configuration of application which we are going to deploy in this app service using this application setting. In case we want to connect to the database from this app service, we need to add a connection string. There is an option to add a connection string over here. Let me scroll down. There is new connection string. Let me click on that. Over here it will ask me the name of the connection string, the value of the connection string and the database to which we are going to be connecting. Let me close it. Let me see what are the different other options. Let me scroll down. We can configure the backups of this app service. We can connect this app service with our own custom domain. We can do TLS SSL settings, install certificates. So there are multiple options. Let me check. There is an option called scale up. Over here a couple of options for scaling up this particular app service. So one free F1 is already selected. Let me deselect it and I will select a standard plan instead. Search standard plan. There is a standard S1. It is a paid plan. Let me click on select. So my app service plan is now being upgraded. After this is upgraded, we can check a certain options over here. For example, there is an option called slots. So if you scroll up, you will see there is an option over here for deployment slots. You see there is one production slot which is deployed at the time of creation of this app. If I want to add one more slot, I can click on add slot and let me give the name of the slot and I will click on add. After some time, a new slot will be created and added over here. The benefit of the slot is that we can deploy our application independently on each of the slot and one slot doesn't disturb or interfere with another slot. Let me close it. So if you see over here, there is a slot with the suffix -dev. If I open this slot, then you will notice that this particular name at the top will be changed with the suffix -dev. Let me click on it. So over here it has been suffixed with /dev and you will see URL is also having a suffix called -dev over here. If I open this URL, this URL is also suffixed with -dev. Let me scroll down and then again I will scale in to the lower free plan. Let me click on free F1 and I will click on select. I click on downgrade. When I am downgrading, you will notice that it might show some error like exceed maximum number of slots allowed for the hosting plan. The reason is that we have already created some slots and we cannot downgrade after creating more slots. So we need to delete those slots to resolve this error. Let me go to the deployment slots. Let me just open this particular dev slot. So it is the dev slot only. I will click on overview and then I will click on delete. Give the name of the slot. I will click on delete. This particular slot is being deleted. Once this slot is deleted, we need to close this blade. Let me close it and I am back into my production slot. Now what I will do, I will scale down. So let me choose the options where is a scale down settings. There is a option scale down can be done in this scale up section. Over here I will choose the free plan. Select and downgrade. Again there is a chance that it will show some error, and that error is related to always on feature. There has been no error related to always on, but in case you see the error, what you can do is go to configurations, go to general settings, scroll down a bit. You will notice that there is an option called always on. It must be off before we scale down. Always on is a feature which is available in the paid plans only. That is the reason before downgrading to the free plan we need to make sure it is off. That is it for this lecture. We will see how to deploy our own application to this app service in future. Thank you.